Few industries tout their sustainability credentials more forcefully than the fashion industry. But the sad truth is that despite high-profile attempts at innovation, it's failed to reduce its planetary impact in the past 25 years. Most items are still produced using non-biodegradable petroleum-based synthetics and end up in a landfill. So what can be done? New ESG strategies such as the use of bio-based materials, recycling, and rent-the-runway concepts have failed. Instead, we must stop thinking about sustainability as existing on a spectrum. Less unsustainable is not sustainable. And governments need to step in to force companies to pay for their negative impact on the planet. The idea of win-win and market-based solutions has failed even in one of the most progressive industries.